And no relief for Bollywood celebrities here who are currently facing income tax department's heat. Actor Taapsee Pannu and director Anurag Kashyap are being questioned by the IT officials for the second straight day. Interrogation is taking place at Pune's Westin Hotel. This comes as both the celebrities are grilled for over 6 hours yesterday. Along with grilling, IT sleuths are also conducting raids at Taapsee and Anurag's Mumbai residences. Along with Taapsee and Anurag, raids were also conducted at Madhu Mantena and Vikas Bahl's properties there. Sources reveal that the profits made by personalities like Taapsee Pannu, Madhu Mantena, Vikas Bahl and Anurag Kashyap don't really match their returns. This directly hints at tax evasion, which attracted Income Tax Department's probe, followed by searches at around 30 locations. Total amount of tax evasion can only be evaluated after the valuation of the property. Meanwhile, actors Swara Bhaskar and filmmaker Anubhav Sinha have now extended their support to Taapsee as well as Anurag.
As of now, I am in Pune's Wakad area, outside one of the 5-star hotels over here. The officials of this hotel confirmed Anurag Kashyap, Taapsee Pannu had been staying over here. Last few days, the enquiry, the searches and interrogation went on at this hotel as well, as per the police sources. But apart from that, the income tax officials are not ready to speak. The Pune income tax officials, though they are tight-lipped, they have confirmed that the search operations are being carried out by the investigation teams of Income Tax Department situated at Bellard Estates, Scindia House. Other than that, no one is sharing any information. The only thing that is coming out is income tax search operations and interrogation in connection to the alleged tax evasion is going on. The film crew had been staying over here, but as of now, they are not there. Maybe they have shifted their locations to Mumbai, wherein their registered offices as well as residences are situated. The information from the sources from Income Tax Department's 30 locations are being searched and interrogation still continues. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khilkar in Pune for India Today.
Let me quickly cut across to Divyesh Singh, reporting from Mumbai for more details on that. Divyesh, you're right outside the office of the Directorate. If you can take us through what exactly is the proof, or rather anything that is hinting towards tax evasion here that the department has found for them to be initiating raids, and it's still not over. 6 hours yesterday, we're looking at raids already begun today and it still continues.
Nabila, I would like to explain it to our viewers that income tax officials, whenever they conduct a search, before that they always conduct a primary probe, and only after that, only once they have enough and substantiated evidence in hand, only then searches are conducted at locations of the suspects or the accused persons. In this particular matter, what we are being told is that the profits generated or the profits made through business by Taapsee Pannu, Anurag Kashyap, Vikas Bahl, Madhu Mantena and various others and various entities as well did not match with their returns. So there is suspected tax evasion, and a primary probe was carried out regarding this, after which the searches were conducted yesterday, which have been going on today as well. Today, we've also heard that Taapsee Pannu and Anurag Kashyap are being questioned. Their statements are being recorded by income tax officials, and only once the data that the income tax officials have collected, the electronic data and the documents that they have collected, once those are evaluated, the total amount of tax being evaded will be known. But the evaluation is going to take some time. As of now, statements are being recorded. There could be some other statements, some other person's statements that will also be recorded by income tax officials, right, while several entities and several persons remain under scanner of the Income Tax Department.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Divyesh. Like Divyesh did mention, there's some prima facie evidence that they might have found, after which they've now initiated with the raids. But of course, it comes with fair share of political reactions as well. We're looking at the politics now intensifying over the income tax raids on these Bollywood stars. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar has now responded to Rahul Gandhi's attack on Modi government over the raids. Javadekar in a tweet has said that those who imposed emergency is today talking about democracy themselves. Modi Mantri also claimed that Congress only pretends to be secular. Javadekar response here comes after the Congress MP Rahul Gandhi said that the centre is making central agencies dance to their fingers, while Rahul has also alleged that the government is targeting all those who raise their voice in support of the farmers' agitation, and not just Rahul. The Shiv Sena also now has launched a scathing attack on the centre, accusing it of using investigative agencies like the CBI, the Enforcement Directorate, to suppress dissent within the country here and using sedition as a political weapon. In its editorial mouthpiece, Samna, the Shiv Sena has said supporting the Modi government has now become patriotism and protesting becomes treason. However, the centre has now denied charges of witch hunt here, saying that IT department is investigating the case because of proof that's been collected by them.
किसानों के आंदोलन की भूमिका हो तो राष्ट्रध्वज लगाएंगे और उनकी सरकार की सच्चाई अगर जनता के सामने रखने की बात जो भी करेगा तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करने का जो अभियान मोदी सरकार ने शुरू की है उसका कांग्रेस जोरकोस से विरोध करती है।
ये तो हद हो गई। जिसका भी बारे में इनकम टैक्स या जांच एजेंसियां को जानकारी मिलती है क्रेडिबल, उसी का जांच एजेंसी जांच करती है और बाद में कोर्ट में मसला जाता है। ऐसा थोड़ा ही है।
भाजपा के लोग जो हैं लगातार तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन है जैसे सीबीआई है, ईडी है, इनकम टैक्स है, इसका दुरुपयोग करके अपना राजनीतिक फायदा उठाना चाह रहे हैं। ये पूरा पॉलिटिकल वेंडेटा है और ये तो आप हर सेक्टर में जाइए, मतलब एक तानाशाह बैठा है, उसको अपने खिलाफ जो है, जो जनता की जो आवाज़ है उसको नहीं सुनना है।
देश का आयकर विभाग कागजों के आधार पर जिसने टैक्स की चोरी की है ऐसे लोगों पर कानून के तहत कार्रवाई करता है और उसी कानून के तहत अनुराग कश्यप और तापसी मन्नू के घर उन्होंने कार्रवाई की है। अब जब कानून अपने कानून के दायरे में रहकर कार्रवाई करे तो इस बात को भी लेकर के कांग्रेस दल और विपक्ष के लोग यदि सियासत का इसको रंग देते हैं तो यह दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.